Alright, hey y'all, it's your girl Kelly Top Legs back with another YouTube video. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a product review. You know, over these past couple months, I have been buying and trying a whole lot of products just to see, you know, what my hair likes, what my hair doesn't like. I'm the kind of person I like to switch out products every time I finish one. I don't want my hair to get used to something and then it ends up not working later on and then I have to start from square one. So I'd rather just know what my hair likes and then try something else so that if that doesn't work, I know what I can fall back on. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to review is this MAC Soft. I use this when I wash my hair as like a scrubber, and I have noticed a huge difference in the way that my hair feels after I wash it. It feels cleaner. This doesn't sound weird, but it feels like I can breathe. Like, if you know, you know. Like, it just feels so good. And you know, sometimes I truly just don't feel like massaging my hair with my hand, so this is just so much easier. You can hold it like this. I part my hair and then I put a little bit of shampoo on this and I just go like that and I'm good. And also I feel like this has been helping my hair grow because my hair is a lot longer. The next thing I'm going to review is this Meow Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. I was trying to use this as a gel. So I tried to use it as a gel for my slick back ponytails. And when I tell you, when I first squirted it out, I knew it wasn't gonna work. This gel is not, I don't even know the word. I just feel like it's not thick enough for my hair. You know, maybe if you have a looser curl pattern, it will work. Or I know that some girls like to use a gel with their braid outs and their twist outs. I personally don't because my hair lasts me at least 5 days without a gel. But I know that some of you guys do, so I think that this will be good enough for a wash and go, so you don't have to use like Eco Styler or something. The next thing I'm going to talk about is this Meow Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. When I tell y'all my hair loves this, y'all, my hair is obsessed. You don't understand. I'm obsessed. My hair is obsessed, you guys. It is perfect for moisturizing your hair when you have a braid out or a twist out. A little goes a long way. I've used this for at least a month and that is how much I have left. I wouldn't use this for a wash and go because it is heavier, because it is a twist out cream, so it's for like braid outs and twist outs. So I wouldn't use it as a wash and go because I feel like it would weigh your hair down and it just, yeah, that's just not it for that. But other than that, I love it. The next thing I'm going to talk about is this Edge Fixer Glued Maximum Hold Very Cherry. Now this is the Sweetie, whatchamacallit, the Sweetie Edge Control. Once again, with this, a little goes a long way. It smells bomb. This one smells bomb, the peach one smells gross, and the other one smells good too. But yeah, this is the Sweetie Edge Control. It's good, y'all. I literally, y'all know how hard I used to ride for Eben. They ain't got nothing on this, and I mean that with my whole heart. I love this. So the next one I'm going to talk about is this Tgin Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. My hair loves this stuff. When I tell you guys, it is not stripping. It literally does what it has to do and it leaves. Like, I have no complaints about this. It smells good and it's black owned. Another shampoo that I really liked that I was surprised about was a Taraji P. Henson shampoo. Honey, because she did her thing with that shampoo, period. The next thing I'm going to review is this Meow Babasu Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse. It's a regular mousse. I don't really like the way it smells. But other than that, it does what it came to do. And I used this when I did my passion twist. Because I don't know if y'all know, but I do my hair. So every time y'all see my hair done, 9 times out of 10, I did it. for my birthday hair, I'm not gonna do that, but you guys will see that next week, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, 9 times out of 10 I do my hair, so when I do my passing twist I use this, and when I tell y'all, and it helped my hair shine too. And all my braiders know when you're doing braids, you put the mousse on the hair to help with the flyaways and just to help seal in the look. Perfect. All right, y'all, that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let me know what other products you would like for me to review. If you have any questions about some of the products that I mentioned, if you want to know about some of the ingredients, and I'll make sure I get right back to you. I'll see you next week. Bye.